For nearly a decade, one piece of content has dominated how leaders think about OKRs. It was written by Google, trusted and read by millions, and therefore used as the cornerstone how-to guide. But here's the thing. OKRs are not a scoring system. They are a reasoning system. Real OKRs are OKRs that actually move organizations. They look different from what most leaders have been taught. You don't have many of them in play, and the ones you do have are resourced to succeed. They are strategic communications, and they are written as such. And because they are strategic comms, they carry a full narrative explaining the choices being made. Each key result includes a written rationale explaining why each metric and this target are relevant given what is known. The result is not just better goals, it is a fundamentally different organizational information environment. One where reasoning is visible, decisions are grounded, and accountability means something because it is built on logic. This is not complicated. It is common sense that the dominant guidance has consistently failed to share. I believe that the standard for what counts as a good OKR practice should be set by the people who have done the implementation work. My seat at this table comes from over a decade of implementation experience with organizations of all sizes. Real OKRs are for those organizations that are serious about execution. So if you're responsible for how your organization sets goals and executes strategy, and you want to do so with greater rigor, greater honesty, and less compliance theater, my content is for you. Follow me to get it in your feed and to be alerted of new stuff as it arrives.